This is super weird, guys. Alright guys, I just came home from the gym. Excuse the mess on the weather radio desk. But as you see, the yellow lights are on, which means there's an advisory or statement. Now note that today is Monday, and it's almost 8:30 p.m. Actually, it is 8:30. Look at what I get. A weekly test. And it occurred at 8:21 too. So at 8:21 p.m. on a Monday, I got a weekly test. Look at that. And that one says monthly test. Okay, that one says monthly test too, which means there's actually a monthly test. But the 12382 read it as a weekly. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible.